to my vlog. I'm back from school and we're gonna go bike riding. Do you have the same bike as well?
Pretty much.
Tell me if a car's coming!
Look at me, look at me, look at me. You got the game, you got the
Sup, Finn?
You don't got nothing, nothing, nothing. Look at me, look at
Yo,
me.
Finn, go faster!
I read the game, misunderstood. So you better keep running, running, running. Look at me, look at me, look at me.
Pedal, Colton, pedal! Pedal faster! Here you can! Change up some gears then. Two more, another one. There you go, pedal! Now you're away. Whoa, don't get the speed wobble!
You good, Harley? You good?
Then I think we got something, something, something. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Let's be today. Let's take a look. Turn up the gauge and get moving, moving.
Even with sore legs!
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
We are back. I got up the hill to the tunnel first and without stopping, and I got up the driveway without stopping. Pretty good.